Today we are at where are we? Nasi Lemak.
Nasi Lemak
Wanjo, Kampung Baru.
Kampung Baru.
Kampung Baru. Okay, let's go and find Nasi Lemak.
I'm here to test what I've seen, what you show me each day on internet.
Yes. You are. So this is the Nasi Lemak Wanjo. Your first time?
What's this?
Yes, it's my first time.
Makan is eat.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
You have any allergies? Allergies?
No.
No.
Nothing?
What's that? That's fish?
Yeah, that's fish.
You don't like. You don't
I
like
don't. I'm allergic to eggs.
And I don't eat meat.
You don't eat meat?
Okay with that.
Sudah. Abang minta tangkap gambar tu. Okay, picture. So nasi lemak. Today we are eating nasi lemak.
Nampak. La friture.
La friture.
La friture.
La friture. Okay, so normally how do you eat this? You take a bit of this one.
Ouais.
You take a bit of the red one.
Yes.
And you take the rice.
You take the rice.
Oh, you need to use the spoon.
Okay. We need
Yeah.
to use the spoon.
Ah.
So I take the rice.
And take some of the crunchy. Okay. And that's how you eat it. Ah. So how is it? Rendang is cooked with lemongrass,
Yes.
onions,
Yes.
garlic, ginger, and a lot of spices.
It's really good.
It's weird, right? Just kidding.
You can try the platters there.
No, we're going to buy here, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
everybody-
we take the red prawn first. Wait, one red prawn first.
Yes.
Okay.
I ambil satu kecil ya.
Dulu. Okay. Jom, let's sit down.
Yes. We are all.
Don't do it.
C'est honoré. I had to honor this fruit, so I will do it. It's
That's all. Finish already.
no, it's in fact, I ate a lot of things today. But
This is the first time.
for the lunch, it will be good.
So far, from my friends, the Italian. So you guys are French. Are the only ones who can eat durian. Like the British, they will like swallow, eat it, and they will purge.
Yes.
Yeah, they don't like it.
Maybe
So you guys are winners. You guys are winners.
Yes, it's not like the strumming nuclear. Yeah,
Are you okay?
I'm okay. It's hard to it's hard to swallow, but it's okay. I'm good.
Are you okay, Claire? And this, you take this thing, just throw it away here. If you are hard to swallow, you drink the coconut drink.
Yeah.